Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to export Microsoft Excel here on Clickup. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time here in ClickUp, I need you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Exporting Microsoft Excel to ClickUp is a straightforward process that would allow you to create customized reports with specific formats, charts, and summaries. Now, this flexibility is very useful for generating reports that meet the specific needs of your clients or even the organization that you are working with. Now, once you are logged into your ClickUp account, I need you to navigate to the workspace or project where you want to export the task. In this case, this is going to be the file that I'm going to be working with. Now, you see, when you go to the three dots icon here, there's no option for you to export anything here going to Excel. All right. What I need you to do is exit this interface and go to the customize button, the gear icon beside hide and add task. Click that and you would be able to have an option for the export view. When you click that, you see this is going to be an option for you to export to Excel. It's a very straightforward and easy process. All right. Make sure you are on the list view because, for example, you are on the board view. You see, you're not going to be able to have the option to export. So you have to remember that, all right? On the calendar, you see, if you use the Gantt, you have the option to export view. But of course, the Gantt can be only accessed using the business plan feature. Using the table, you can export again onto Excel. Now, when you click on this option, click the download button. And as you can see, there's going to be a status in the bottom left corner that they will email your export as soon as it's ready. I'm going to open the file. Now, once you are logged into your Microsoft Excel account online, it provides powerful tools for analyzing data, including formulas, and of course, tables and data visualization options, because exporting data to Excel allows you to perform complex analysis that may not be possible within ClickUp. And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.